Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your LinkedIn company page admin rights, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your LinkedIn company page admin rights, first, log in to your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your company page by clicking on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Manage next to your company page. In the admin view of your company page, locate the Admin Tools button at the top. Click on Admin Tools to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Page Admins from the options provided. In the Page Admins section, you'll see the current admins listed. To add a new admin, click on the Add Admin button. Enter the name or email address of the person you want to assign as an admin. Choose the appropriate admin role for this person, such as admin or content admin. Once you've filled in the required information, click Save to apply the changes. The new admin will receive a notification and will have access to the company page. To remove your own admin rights, find your name in the list of admins. Click on the Remove option next to your name. Confirm the removal when prompted to finalize the process. Ensure that you have successfully transferred admin rights by checking the updated list of admins again. Congratulations, you have now transferred your LinkedIn company page admin rights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.